Is it a crow?
It's not a crow. Bring.
Did you know New Zealand is the only country, one of very few countries in the world, that has no crows?
Can you get the book already?
Does it have no crows? Oh, it has no crows. No crows.
You should look up the bird.
He's going to get a bird. Where are you going with this?
Nowhere. Just to the bookshelf.
She's going somewhere. She's going somewhere.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to the bookshelf.
She's going somewhere with this.
I'm going to the bookshelf. That one.
Birds of the world.
It looks vaguely familiar. How can you?
World Atlas of Birds.
She's going somewhere.
Where am I going?
She's going somewhere. I don't like where she's going. Where's she going?
Where are you going?
I don't know. Just open the book.
What are we looking for?
Sam, open the book.
Oh, bloody Nora.
Well, I need a sort of idea what to look for, really. It could be anything. That?
No, it wasn't that. It was redder, with a bit of white on it.
The one next to it?
No. It had like a. It had like a. It had like a plasticky sheen to it. Like it was kind of the light was reflecting off it. Like it was kind of like a plasticky sheen.
I don't want to open the book.
Open the fucking book!
I don't want to open the book.
Open the book.
I don't want to open the book. It's this one, isn't it?
What's on the open book?
I don't want to open the book. You open the book.
It's on New Zealand.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what's that?
Open the fucking packet.
What's in the packet?
Wait, what's that?
That's her.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god.